Here we are with our 2015 Mustang GT. Has been a great car, but we did discover that we had a little bit of a coolant leak. It was leaking about a gallon of coolant every 3 days. Commute is about 60 miles round trip a day, so over some miles it was losing about a gallon. So did a little bit of research and discovered that there was a service bulletin that Ford put out, and the directive was to replace this part. And basically it's the one that has not been removed right here. It connects the coolant hose that goes back to the heater box and everything. So I think the idea was that there was something about this connection or this connection that was allowing the coolant to get out of the hose. So they replaced that part with this new one, and the part number is shown right there. So hit your pause button and jot that number down if you think you might need to replace that part. However, this only affected 2015 models that were built between a certain range of dates, and you shouldn't have a problem finding the service bulletin on that to tell you what range of dates. But if you see right here, it shows you I believe that's going to be the date that it was manufactured, and in this case it was manufactured in January of 2015, and if it had been 1 month newer, they would have not included the part that caused the problem in favor of this new one. So going to go ahead and replace the thing now and test it out and check back in a day or two, and we'll see if it solved our problem.